We not traveling today, but we finna go make some candles. Finna go make some candles today. I always want to do a candle making class, and I found one, and I'm about to go do one. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll see y'all in there. Bye. The way that Atlanta is burning today, it really don't make it ain't a cloud in the sky. My God, it is hot. But I'm walking up here to the class. Let me just make sure the focus is good. But I'm at this candle class, and it's in Doraville, Georgia, not Atlanta, but it's up here in Doraville. So that's what I'm doing. It starts at 1 o'clock. They said be here 10 minutes early, and I'm 15 minutes early because we not on CP time. Period. Everybody got their little, that's what it looks like in here. So they told us that this is the jar that it comes with the class, but you can upgrade to a new jar. It's over there, these jars for $12, and then they have all of these fragrances that you can choose from. You can choose up to 2. So I'm about to get the sniffing and see which one I like. So yeah. So I smelled all of them, at least the ones that I thought was gonna smell good. And I got passion fruit and butt naked nasty or no. So we're gonna mix passion fruit and butt naked. It smells good to me. Might make you get butt naked.
You're gonna do the same thing with your second wick in that second circle on that yellow paper.
Yes, how I do that, my jeans over baby fat. Listen, I don't know the type of tricks he playing, but I should warn you, I don't want you laying. I understand how you want to try things that won't let you at night. But if you wanna go, we go, no lie. I can't explain how many times I tried, how many times I cried, thinking about mine and mine.
You can also use the popsicle stick on the left side of your tray if you can't get your hand all the way in your jar. To press down on your wicks to make sure they're stuck. Once you do that, you can move your jar to the back of your tray and move your scales in front of you. You're going to turn it on. The on button is on the left bottom of your scale. Press that one time. Make sure your scale says 0 ounces. Make sure it's in ounces. If it's not in ounces, your candle will be short. So if you need help, please let us know. Now we're going to take our red measuring cup on the right side of our trays and place that on top of your scale. It will calculate the weight of the measuring cup to where you need to be. Make sure you don't press the power button because you will have to start over.
Tree.
I did the same thing.
12.7.
I'm almost there.
All right.
Is that it? She said that was at 12.66, right?
Yeah. 12.66. There's 3.
No.
That was 12.
All right.
Stir that for about 2 minutes. I can track the time for you guys. This process is called a hot throw. So as you stir the wax, the hot wax is throwing the fragrance at you. This is what your candle will smell like when it's burning. The more you stir, the more you'll smell it. Once you pour your wax, there should be another brown stick on the left side of your tray with multiple holes in it. This is a wick holder. You're going to place your wicks in the holes right to the left and right to the right of the center hole. So you're going to leave one hole in the middle and put the wicks in the holes right next to it. Once you do that, you can carefully pick up your candles and place them on the red pot holders next to your tray. You're also going to take off the Sharpie markers.
What am I doing wrong?
That's not what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, it's that hard.
Done out the candle class. It was cool. It was cool. It was a cool little vibe. I was at the table by myself at first, and then 3 other women came, and they were cool. I know y'all saw the clips of us playing Uno and Uno Jenga. Didn't know Jenga had Uno, but that was something. So now I'm about to go to the mall because I like Perimeter Mall and it's really close. It's like 10 minutes away, and then I'm going to go get food, and I really want to try this wing spot, so we're gonna test them out. And then I think I'll be done for today. Like it's pretty early. It ain't nothing but 2:30. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But it was cool. It was a cool little class. So yeah. See y'all in the next clip. Probably gonna be at the mall. I'm not gonna record in the mall because I'm just not. It's hot. So yeah.